All right, here we go, guys. We got the garage reveal. We've been talking about this for months now. We've been working on it. No contractors. We did all this by ourselves. So I think it turned out pretty good. Guys, good luck with these lights. Holy smokes. The ones on the wall, they're good. On the ceiling, oh yeah. That's a whole day project right there. So we got the fueling station, just fuel, toolbox, the whole bit. Changed it up this year, or this house. Put plexiglass, basically all the stickers peeled off about 10 pounds of sheetrock. Had to do a lot of work at the other house. Got the tire rack, got everything we need, got the oils. Car will be on small tires next year. We've got everything else, toolbox, awards. That's the scales to weigh and balance the car. Got all my trophies. Fuel Tech, yes, I took liberty on your banner. Threw your FT injector sticker on there. You guys can go ahead and get proprietary rights from me. Yeah, but everything looks good, man. We did really good with it. I like it. But tell me what you guys think. What else should we do different? What else should we change? Tell me what you think, man. Y'all have a good one.